Hi everyone, welcome to Freshliance Livestream channel. I'm Julia. I'm so excited to be here to tell you about a bit more about Freshliance and our amazing products. We have question and answer part later on, so please feel free to ask anything you want during the live. Okay, first of all, let's talk about Freshliance. Freshliance is devoted to offering customers tailor-made temperature and humidity monitoring solutions for many years. We have a variety of products. They are USB, Bluetooth, wireless, and ultra-low temperature and humidity data logs. They feature a wide measurement range from minus 200 degrees to 200 degrees and with high accuracy. That makes them meet almost every kind of temperature and humidity monitoring needs. We serve all kinds of industries. They are food industry, pharmaceuticals industry, retail industry, chemical industry, and so on. They can be used in different scenarios, including cold chain logistics, cold storage, warehouse, hospital, medical laboratory, supermarket, convenience store, food factory, museum, archive, and so on. OEM orders are also available. Contact us to get the temperature and humidity monitoring solutions tailored for your business. If you are interested in our products, please contact us through the telephone and email below. Telephone number is 0086 371 8990 8620. Email is sales@freshliance.com. We have established our own website. You can search and Google Freshliance to get more information about us. And we have Amazon and Shopify online store. You can search Freshliance on it to find the products you need. Anyway, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this live stream with your friends. You can click the bell icon so that next time when we have live stream or new videos, you will get notified right away. Please don't forget to comment down below to let me know what you want to know, and then I will reply to you. Today we have some temperature data logs to introduce for the dry ice temperature data logs and the Bluetooth temperature data logs. Let's start first with the Bluetooth temperature data log. As a Bluetooth temperature data log recorder, Bluetech T10 has a small size. It's easy to connect and operate. All parameters can be set by app on your mobile phone. This wireless HACCP temperature sensor also can be connected unlimitedly. A sensor can be connected to unlimited number of users on an unlimited number of Android phones. And the app can support an unlimited number of sensors, limited only by the phones. Bluetooth connection through app, you can scan code to read the temperature data by app on your phone. The HACCP temperature data log has passed CE, RoHS, and compliance to EN 12830 and HACCP temperature guideline and requirements. It has some important features. The easy to connect. Simple download Tkeeper app, scan the QR code on the product, and pairing will be successfully immediately. Remote monitoring. With a 10-meter Bluetooth range, you will be notified of any temperature changes immediately just by scanning code by app on your phone. Accurate and real-time update. With built-in Japan-made smart thermometer sensor, the temperature is accurate to plus and minus 0.2 degree. It provides high-pressure monitoring. It can record a new and accurate temperature reading every minute. Smart App Alert. You will receive a notification alert on your phone once the temperature is out of preset range. It can help you effectively adjust the situation of your wine cellar, cigar room, greenhouse, basement, or transportation in time. Free data storage and export. Our HACCP Bluetooth temperature data log uploads data to the app when connected via Bluetooth. It enjoys 1 year of online data storage view. You can view hours, days, weeks, even years of historical data and export it in PDF or CSV format. Countless connection. A sensor can be connected to countless users on countless Android phones. Taking no account of phone's performance, the app can support countless sensors. Large memory capacity. Max 65,000 readings for more data storage. Let's see its applications. Bluetooth Titan Bluetooth HACCP temperature data log recorder is very suitable for low temperature logistics, vaccine transportation, fresh food distribution, refrigerated transportation, especially incubator transportation, which can easily realize the reading without opening the box. This wireless HACCP temperature sensor is also ideal for monitoring the temperature of some life signs, such as in the house, wine cellar, cigar storage room, baby room, basement, greenhouse, etc. Within a 10-meter Bluetooth range, you can update and view the temperature changes every minute just by clicking the refreshed interface on your phone, with no need to move a step. Bluetooth Titan Bluetooth temperature data log is a HACCP temperature logs product combined with Bluetooth wireless communication technology for smartphones. For the code chain links such as storage, transportation, and distribution of temperature-sensitive products to realize automatic tracking and recording of temperature in the whole process. Our Bluetooth temperature data log adopts the most advanced low-power Bluetooth technology and a high-performance integrated circuit to realize the wireless communication between the temperature data log and the mobile Bluetooth device. It's not only compact and easy to carry, but also has an effective wireless communication distance of 10 meters. Which eliminates the trouble of connecting traditional logger devices, improves working efficiency, and saves working time. I believe now you must be interested in its specifications. Let's see. Its model number is Bluetooth Titan, and temperature range is minus 30 degree to 70 degree. Temperature accuracy is plus and minus 0.2 degree. Maximum memory capacity is 65,000 readings. Its working days can be 1 year, and its shelf life can be 1 year too. Its start delay can be set from 0 minutes to 72 hours, and its lodging interval can be set from 1 minute to 99 minutes. Its temperature unit can be Fahrenheit and or centigrade. Its report format could be PDF and CSV. The wireless connection is Bluetooth. Its app language can be Chinese or English. The app can be worked on Android phones. Let me show you how to use it. First, to install the TKeeper app. Download our TKeeper app from the Google Play. Open the app and type join in to register. After registration, please log in. Press the button on the device. Press the button on the device for 5 seconds. The red and green indicators flash 3 times together and then switch off. It indicates that the device is turned on. Type plus on the home page to enter the Add Devices page. Type scan symbol to scan the product QR code, or manually enter the product series number below the QR code on the logo. After scanning successfully, you will enter the configuration page. Then you can configure parameters according to your needs. After configuration, tap Confirm. It will go to the home page automatically. Please note that the longer the loading interval, the more power saving. After configuration, other configuration items cannot be modified except name. When the device is placed next to the mobile phone, the real-time data can be viewed on the home page. If the real-time data is displayed as it means that the device has not been searched and needs to be waited for a few seconds. If the temperature is out of alarm range, the temperature will be displayed in red. So is the humidity. If the humidity is out of alarm range, the humidity value will also be displayed in red. On the detail page to view the historical data. When the device is next to the mobile phone, tap refresh button to get the latest data from the device. Stop the device. Tap End at the bottom on the detailed page to stop the logger. Once it's ended, the device will display stopped on the app. The app will not record anymore and only shows real-time data. If it's a new mobile to stop the device, please download the app and register first. Then add the device and operate accordingly. Export the report. After the device is ended on app, tap More Details button, 3 points on the top right corner to export PDF or CSV report. If you want to check the device list, on the home page, tap List button to enter the device list page. If you want to delete the device, also on the home page or the device list page, long press the device to delete the device. If you want to change some app settings, you can go to the home page, tap My button to modify the app language, temperature unit, and the login password extra. For this Bluetooth temperature deadlock, it has the button. The button function is power on. Press the button for 5 seconds to turn on the logger. If you want to check the alarm status, just press the button shortly. As you can see, there are two LED indicators. The indicator will have different functions. When the red and green indicators flash 3 times together, then green indicator flashed once. This means the device is turned on with sufficient power. If the red and green LED indicators flash 3 times together, then red indicator is on for 5 seconds. For 5 seconds. This means the device is turned on without sufficient power. Use it with caution. If the red and the green indicators flash for 3 times together, then the red indicator is on for 60 seconds. This means the device is ended and not available for use anymore. This one is a single use. If the red LED indicator flashes every 30 seconds, it means the logger is out of the preset temperature alarm range. If the green indicator flashes every 30 seconds, it means it's within the temperature alarm range. When the button is pressed shortly, the red LED indicator flashes once. It means it's out of alarm range. When the button is pressed shortly, the green indicator flashes once. It means it's within the temperature alarm range. When entering the detailed page, the red and green indicators flash once together. It means the mobile phone is connected to the device successfully. So it's all the introduction for this BlueTag T10. It's a single-use temperature data log. Next, I want to introduce you a multiple-use temperature and humidity data log, also with Bluetooth function. This one is BlueTag TH20 for multiple use of temperature and humidity data log with a big LCD indication. Bluetech TH20 is an intelligent Bluetooth HACCP temperature and humidity data log based on Bluetooth communication technology. This Bluetooth temperature recorder features a high-resolution temperature range from -30 degrees to 70 degrees. It comes with up to 65,000 readings with a real temperature and humidity display. This HACCP temperature sensor is widely used in various industries to monitor environmental temperature. This HACCP temperature sensor is widely used in various industries to monitor the environmental temperature. With the Bluetooth app software provided by our company, you can quickly and accurately set various parameters of the product. Bluetooth connection through app, you can read the temperature data by app on your phone. The Bluetooth temperature monitor has passed CE, CE-RED, and complies to EN 12H30 for transportation, storage, distribution of food. With super thin body and low power consumption. The Bluetooth HACCP temperature and humidity data log uses a button battery, creating a super thin 13mm body, ultra-low power consumption electronic screen, working time up to 200 days. The battery is replaceable for repeated use. the large LCD screen and real-time temperature and humidity display. You can real-time viewing the current temperature and humidity, max temperature and humidity value, mean temperature and humidity value, and the battery level. It's with high precision and large memory capacity. The built-in HACCP temperature sensor can measure the temperature of -30 degrees to 70 degrees with high accuracy of plus and minus 0.2 degrees, suitable for multi-sign use. Its maximum memory capacity up to 65,000 readings. It has the smart app alert. You will receive a notification alert on your phone once the temperature is out of preset range. This temperature and humidity dialog can help you effectively adjust the situation of the house, warehouse, laboratory, museum, and cold chain transportation in time. Free data storage and export. Our Bluetooth HACCP temperature dialog uploads data to the app when connected via Bluetooth. Enjoy online store data storage view. You can view the historical data and export it in PDF or CSV format. It's suitable for many different applications. Bluetech TH20 LCD Bluetooth HACCP temperature and humidity dialog recorder is very suitable for low temperature logistics like cold chain vehicles, cold storage, refrigerated boxes. This wireless HACCP temperature and humidity sensor is also ideal for monitoring the temperature and humidity in-house, like indoor temperature and humidity detection, refrigerator food preservation, pet breeding, flower breeding, musical instrument maintenance. Bluetech TH20 Bluetooth temperature dialog is a HACCP temperature logs product for pharmaceuticals or laboratory such as pharmacy medicine cabinets, vaccine storage, drug storage, experimental material storage, experimental environment testing. It can be used to realize the automatic monitoring, tracking, and recording of temperature in the whole process. Our HACCP Bluetooth data log temperature humidity logger has a super thin 13 mm body, adopts the most advanced low-power Bluetooth technology. It also can be used for various industries that monitor environmental temperature, warehouse environmental detection, food storage monitoring, machine room and workshop environmental detection, commodity preservation exhibition cabinets in supermarkets, etc. Its model number is Bluetech TH20. The temperature range is minus 30 degree to 70 degree, and temperature accuracy is plus and minus 0.2 degree. Its humidity range is from 0 to 99% RH. Humidity accuracy is plus and minus 3% RH. Its maximum memory capacity is 65,000 readings, and its working days is 200 days. Shelf life is 1 year. Its start delay can be set from 0 minutes to 72 hours. Lodging interval can be set from 1 minute to 99 minutes. Temperature unit is available with Fahrenheit or centigrade. The report format is PDF or CSV. Its wireless connection can be Bluetooth or NFC. The app supports language is Chinese and English. The app can be used on Android phones. Its installation can be 3M stickers or magnetic. I think you must be interested how to use the logger. Let's show you. First, download and install the app on your mobile phone. Please search Tkeeper from Google Play to download the app. Open the app and type join in to register. After successfully registration, log in your account. Pull out the battery installation sheet to start the logger. Tap plus on the home page to enter the added device page. Tap scan symbol to scan the product QR code on the device, or manually enter the product series number below the QR code to add the device. After the device is added, it will enter the configuration page. Then, please configure the parameters according to your actual needs. After configuration, tap Confirm. It will enter the home page automatically. Please note, the longer sampling interval, the more power saving. After configuration, the parameters cannot be modified except the name. You can check the real-time data. Place the device next to the mobile phone. The real-time data can be viewed on the home page. If the real-time data is displayed as, it means that the device has not been searched. Please wait for a few seconds. If the temperature is out of alarm range, the temperature will be displayed in red. So is the humidity. If the humidity is out of the preset alarm range, the humidity will be displayed in red. The data will be displayed in red. Read the historical data. On the home page, tap Recording Status Interface. Enter the Detail page to view the historical data. Place the device next to the phone. Tap Refresh button to get the latest data from the device. Tap Data Styles button. The data details list will be displayed. Stop the device. Tap End button at the bottom of the detail page to stop the device. Please note, once finished, stopped will be displayed on the app. Then the app won't record anymore from the device and only shows the real-time data. If the power is enough, you can restart it. If the power is not enough, please replace the battery, then restart it. On the home page, tap List button to enter the device list page. If you want to delete the device, at the home page or device list page, long press the device to delete the device. If you want to change some app setting, at the home page, tap My button to modify the app language, temperature unit, login password, etc. So that's all the introduction for this Bluetooth temperature and humidity data log. If you have any questions or doubts, you can leave a message here.就等你。蓝牙的2个都说完了，你说剩下。好。
Hello, good morning everyone. Now is China time and now is 10 a.m. I'm your new host. My name is Miles and I will continue to introduce our company and our products to you. Welcome to see our live show, and if you have any question regarding our products, just feel free to ask me directly. Let's take a small break. After about 2 or 3 minutes, we will begin. Okay. Okay, good morning everyone. Now I'm start to introduce our company products, and my name is Miles, and nice to see you everyone. I'll introduce to you our products model Fresh Keeper. This one, the temperature data logger. It is a dry ice temperature data logger model Fresh Keeper. We name it Fresh Keeper-IoT for ultra-low shipments, which requires frequent temperature sampling intervals. It's a USB type. Let me show you USB type. Okay, it has a temperature range of from -90 to 70 degrees. Features dry ice application and has up to 35,000 readings with real-time temperature and value display. Take a look. It's a black color with cap to cover the USB port, and you can see it's with a LCD screen and have two buttons, and then at the back side there is a label. In the label you can see the model name, model number, and also the temperature range and the accuracy, runtime, memory capacity, and also the certificate. It has CE, RoHS, and the EN certificate, and also the manufacturing date and expiration date, and also our company logo. Yes. Okay, so this product, the temperature data logger, it focuses on dry ice application, and it has temperature range from -90 to 70 degrees. It has high accuracy and large capacity. The accuracy is ±0.5 degrees, and it has up to 35,000 readings for memory. It's suitable for dry ice delivery and storage. The real-time viewing of running status, max, min, average value, alarm status, and remaining days, automatically generating PDF report or CSV report. No software required. It complies with EN 12830 for transport, storage, and distribution of food. The Fresh Keeper dry ice sensor can be used for a wide range of applications, such as monitoring dry ice shipments, sea freight or air freight, distribution, storage, and freezing pharmaceuticals, frozen foods, and shipping containers. This standalone USB data logger does not require any additional probes. So it has a built-in internal sensor. This logger is suitable for in-transit records of biopharmaceuticals, life science, biological samples, blood cold chain, diagnostic reagents, including biological reagents, molecular reagents, COVID-19 reagents, and cell biology reagents during low temperature environment. Products such as biologics and vaccines have a short shelf life, so the temperature change during transportation should be controlled in time. Our USB data logger with a real-time large temperature display is the ideal choice for the pharmaceutical industry and biologics. its model, we name it FreshKeeper-IoT. The usage type can be disposable or reusable. It's optional, and when you place order with us before dispatch, you can inform us. For disposable or reusable, it can be programmed at our factory, and its temperature range from -90 to 70. From -90 to 70, its temperature accuracy is ±0.5 degree at a range of from -30 to 70 degree. At other range, it is 1 degree. And the sensor is internal NTC sensor. Internal NTC sensor. It have memory capacity 35,000 readings. Resolution 0.1 degree. 0.1 degree. And it has maximum 6 alarm points and 9 marks. Start mode can be configurable. Alarm range also configurable. And its working days, we can make it 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, maximum 120 days. Its shelf life is 2 years, which means within 2 years and at any time you can power on the device and have the guaranteed accuracy and performance. The battery inside is lithium battery, unable to be charged, unable to be replaced. It is 3.6 voltage lithium battery. Okay, and for connection, it's via USB port. And the connection via USB port. If customer need, we can also customize to be NFC optional. Its report format is PDF or CSV, or you can have both PDF and CSV. The protection grade is IP65 degree. IP65 degree. The dimension, as you can see, 97 plus 45 and 19 millimeter. It's very compact design, small dimension. Its weight around 60 gram. It has a certificate of CE, RoHS, and EN certificate. And when you need to download the report, you just plug it into the computer, and you can have the report into your computer. It is generated automatically in your computer, no matter your computer system is Windows or Mac system. It can compatible with both two systems. And for configuration, you can download and install our free configuration software, Freshliance tools, on your Windows computer from the link. If you don't need change parameters, you can click save parameter directly. If you need to change parameters, please enter the suitable parameters you want and then click save parameter to finish configuration. For start the logger, there are different methods. You can press the button, you can press the left button, the start button for 3 seconds to start the logger, or you can start the logger by using the software. And if there is start delay, the screen will show delay countdown time after power on. And after the delay countdown finish, the logger starts to record. At the recording status within alarm range, it will show a correct symbol. out of the alarm range, it will show X, which means the wrong signal. Above the high alarm point, it will show high, and if below the low alarm point, it will show LOW. So at every short press on the start button, max value and high alarm, mean value and low alarm, average value and run days will be displayed in turn. If you press the stop button, the screen will return to the main interface. At the main interface, if you press the start button for 3 seconds, the device will make one mark. Within every log interval, only one mark can be made. In total, up to 9 marks can be made. So, and at the recording status, if you double press the start button, the logger will pause. Double press the start button again, it will continue. At the pause status, the logger stops recording, but the screen still updates the temperature. Max value, mean value, average value, view, and making a mark are available. At the recording status, connect the logger to the computer. The temporary report can be generated automatically. During this process, the logger is still recording, and at this status, only the PDF report is available. Press the button for 5 seconds to turn off the logger. Or you can plug the device into the computer and stop it by configuration software. Or if the recording days is over or the memory is full, it will stop automatically. After the logger stops, you can connect the logger to the computer, and the logger will display PDF or CSV to indicate its generating report. After report is generated, USB is displayed on the logger. After pull it out from computer, if you press any button, the max mean value will be displayed in turn twice. I will show you. Yes, check again. So in order to avoid report is lost, please be sure to make the report, to get the report according to your need. Otherwise, it couldn't be reused without configuration again. You can reconfigure parameters or press the stop mark for 3 seconds to restart the logger after the report is downloaded. Okay, this is a brief description, briefly introduction of the logger. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me directly. Model FreshKeeper-IoT, a dry ice temperature data logger. It is mostly used in the dry ice application when you ship the temperature sensitive products such as frozen food, seafood, and some pharmaceuticals, vaccines, etc. This model, it is versatile wide range temperature data logger. It features high resolution temperature range from -90 to 70 degree. From -90 to 70 degree and for up to 35,000 readings. 35,000 readings for its memory capacity. And it can generate report automatically after it is connected to the computer with no software required. No software required. It has a high accuracy and a large capacity. The built-in high precision NTC sensor with a measuring accuracy of ±0.5 degree and measurement temperature range from ultra low -90 degree to 70 degree, suitable for dry ice delivery and storage. A real-time viewing of running days, max value, mean value, average temperature value, and also alarm status. Remaining days can be displayed in the screen. Automatically generating PDF report or CSV report, no software required. And also it complies to EN certificate for transport, storage, and distribution of food. The FreshKeeper IoT dry ice sensor can be used for a wide range of applications, such as monitoring dry ice shipments, sea freight or air freight, distribution, storage, and freezing pharmaceuticals, frozen foods, and shipping containers. This standalone USB temperature sensor does not require any additional probes. It is a built-in internal NTC sensor. The data logger is suitable for in-transit records of biopharmaceuticals, life sciences, biological samples, blood cold chain, diagnostic reagents, including biological reagents, molecular reagents, COVID-19 reagents, and cell biology agents during low temperature environment. Products such as biologics and vaccines have a short shelf life, so the temperature change during transportation should be controlled in time. Our USB data logger with a real-time temperature display are ideal choice for the pharmaceuticals industry and biologics. It can be programmed to be disposable or reusable. And its temperature range from -90 to 70 degree. It has accuracy of ±0.5 degree. Sensor is NTC sensor, internal. Resolution 0.1 degree, max 9 points, have 9 mark points. And the start mode can be configurable by button start or by software or by timed start. So if you have many pieces, you can set at the software to start all the loggers, hundreds of loggers, thousands of loggers, to start all the loggers at the same time. It can be easily set at the software. Alarm range configurable, and also alarm points. Maximum have 6 alarm points. The working days disposable. 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, and if you use reusable, it can be max 120 days. Its shelf life is 2 years. And Within 2 years, at any time you can power on the logger and use it at a guaranteed accuracy and guaranteed performance. The battery is 3.6 voltage. Inside the device, the battery 3.6 voltage. It's a lithium battery, special lithium battery, and the data interface through the USB or NFC optional. The report format can be PDF or CSV format. And protection degree IP65. For the configuration software, you can download and install our free configuration software, Freshliance tools, on your Windows computer. From the link, you can come to our company website and find the link and download into your computer. If you don't need to change parameters, you will no need software and just directly press the button to start the logger. If you need to change parameters, you can plug the device into a computer and open the software and then change the parameters through the software. And after change the parameters, click Save Parameter to finish configuration. For start the logger, you can press the button for 3 seconds. Or you can make it start through the software. At the recording status with alarm range, the screen will show a correct symbol. If out of the alarm range, it will show a wrong symbol. Above the high alarm point, it will show high. If below the low alarm point, it will show low. At every short press on the start button, the max value and high alarm duration, mean value and low alarm, average value and run days will be displayed in turn. If you press the stop button shortly, the screen will return to the main interface. At the main interface, press the start button for 3 seconds. The device will make one mark. Within every log interval, only one mark can be made. In total, up to 9 marks are available. Up to 9 marks maximum can be made. And at the main interface, you can press the start button for 3 seconds. The device will make the mark. At the recording status, if you double press the stop button, the logger will pause. If you double press the start button again, it will continue. At the pause status, the logger stops recording, but the screen will update the temperature. So I repeat, at the pause status. At the pause status, the logger will not record, but the screen will display the real-time temperature as usual. In pause status, you can also make a mark. At recording status or pause status, you can connect the logger to the computer. The temporary report can be generated automatically. can be generated automatically. During this process, the logger is still recording, and at this status, only the PDF report is available. At the temporary report, you can have only PDF format. So I repeat, at the recording status or at pause status, you can connect the logger to the computer. The temporary report can be generated automatically. During this process, the logger is still recording. And at this status, only PDF report is available. For stop mode, you can have 3 methods to stop the logger. You can press the right button, the stop button, for 5 seconds to turn off the logger. Or you can click stop in the software to stop the logger. When you plug the device to the computer and stop it by configuration software. And the third is automatic stop. If the recording days is over or the memory capacity is full, the logger will stop automatically. So after stop, you can connect the logger to the computer, and the logger will display PDF or CSV to indicate its generating report. After report is generated, the USB is displayed on the logger. After pull it out from computer, if you press any button, the max value, mean value, and will be displayed in turn twice. In order to avoid the report is lost, please be sure to get a report according to your need. Otherwise, it couldn't be reused if without configuration again. You can reconfigure the parameters or press the stop button for 3 seconds to restart the logger after report is downloaded. Okay, this is the introduction of the FreshKeeper. Let's take a small break. Later I will continue to introduce another product to you. Good morning, Mr. Importer. Welcome to see our live show. Later we will continue to introduce another model of our temperature data logger. If you have any questions to this model, please feel free to ask me directly. Hello, good morning, new friends. Welcome to see our live show. We are going to introduce our temperature data logger. If you have interest or in requirement of our products, feel free to let me know. Okay, let's continue. Now I'm going to introduce this model, Fresh Keeper. This is Atlas Log. Sorry. We have two different versions: the internal sensor type and the external sensor type. Yes, internal sensor type and the external sensor type. Okay, the Atlas Log series have different features, and we make different models. First, I'll introduce to you this model, Atlas Log-IoT. It's also a dry ice temperature data logger without external probe. It can measure temperature range from -90 to 70 degrees. This temperature data logger is equipped with LCD screen, which can view the real-time temperature data. Its capacity reaches up to max 35,000 readings. Professional users can use the configuration software to configure parameters, and after completing the trip, the encrypted report can be automatically generated. Temporary mode allows the device to continue working after the user generates and reads a temporary report. This temperature data logger is designed for cold chain logistics, storage, and transportation. It is an ideal solution for ultra-low temperature transportation and temperature monitoring that requires frequent temperature recording. It has several features. First, configurable parameters. Parameters can be freely configured through the configuration software. Its battery can work up to 180 days. The battery inside cannot be replaced or recharged. Alarm points set and mark function. Freely set according to your needs. Up to 6 alarm points can be set, and maximum 9 marks are available. Password can be set to prevent others from operating the equipment without authorization. It has an intuitive LCD display. The screen displays all parameters: running days, current temperature, alarm status, battery level, alarm points, max, mean, and average temperature value. Temporary report available. The temporary mode allows the temperature data logger to continue working after users have generated and read the temporary report. Current data information can be viewed using the configuration software. It can automatically generate PDF report with graphs and tables without additional software. Its memory capacity reaches up to 35,000 readings. This model, the Atlas Log IoT Dry Ice Temperature Data Logger, without external probe, can measure temperature range from -90 to 70. It is the ideal choice for ultra-low temperature transportation and the temperature monitoring solution, requiring frequent temperature recording. It is used to record and monitor the ultra-low temperatures in cold storage, cold chain transportation, and dry ice storage environment. Biological products such as vaccine reagents are extremely temperature sensitive, and temperature changes during storage and transportation should be monitored and controlled in time. The Atlas Log temperature data logger with a real-time temperature display is ideal for the pharmaceutical industry and biological products. It can be used for continuous recording of biopharmaceuticals, life science, biological samples, pharmaceutical cold chain, vaccine cold chain, blood cold chain, and diagnostic reagents, including biological reagents, molecular reagents, COVID-19 reagents, and cell biology reagents in a low temperature environment. Model Atlas Log IoT. Temperature range from -90 to 70 degree. Temperature accuracy ±0.5 degree. Its working days can be 90 days. Sensor type is the internal NTC sensor. It has a memory capacity 35,000 readings. Resolution 0.1 degree. Alarm points maximum 6 alarm points. And the alarm type is LCD display and also buzzer alarm. About 60 dB at 3 meters range. The display will show OK alarm zones, remaining battery level, max, mean, average value, running status, mark, etc. The log interval can be set from 1 minute to 24 hours, and the start delay can be set from 0 minute to 24 hours. The report format can be PDF or CSV format. Connection is via USB connection, USB port. And also, if you need, we can make it NFC available. The data logger is compatible with operating system Windows or Mac, configuration software Freshliance tools. Its battery is 3.6 voltage inside, and it cannot be replaced. It has three methods to start the device. First, button start. You can press the button. You can press the left button for 3 seconds until the begin shows. And second is software start. Software start. You can plug it into the computer and open software, and after saving parameters and pull the logger out, it will start immediately. Timed start, the device will start according to the timing on the configuration software. You can set the start on time in the software. Start delay. If there is start delay configured, it will show delay time countdown first. At the recording status or pause status, you can press the left button shortly. It will show max temperature value, mean temperature value, and average temperature value. During this operation, press left button shortly. It will return to the recording status or pause status directly. During recording status or pause status, press left button for 3 seconds to make a mark. If the mark is on, it means that the device is making the mark. After marking, the symbol of mark will be off. Only one mark can be made in one record interval. At recording status, double press the left button. The logger will pause. It doesn't record temperature during pause. And double press the left button again. The logger will start to record again. At recording status, a report will be generated automatically. After pulling the logger out from computer, the logger will continue recording or pause. At this status, only PDF report is available. During recording status, to generate temporary report, the logger still records the temperature. According to your configuration, it has 3 methods to stop the logger. You can press the red button for 3 seconds to stop the logger. Method 2, you can stop it by software. When the logger reaches max working days or the memory capacity is full, it will stop automatically. At the stop status, shortly press any button. Max mean information will be shown in turn twice. After stop the logger, insert it directly into the computer. The screen will show PDF or CSV, indicating it's generating report. After the report is generated, USB will be displayed. After pull it out from computer, press any button. Max or mean information will be shown in turn twice. In order to avoid the report missed, please be sure to connect the logger to computer and generate the report automatically after the logger is stopped. Otherwise, if without any configuration again, it couldn't be reused. If you don't want to change configuration or don't change battery, you can restart the logger directly. If the screen shows SET, it means the logger needs to be configured again. If the screen shows an empty battery, it means the logger doesn't have enough power to last 10 days. If the screen shows END, it means the logger has run out of power. In order to use, please read and save the report. This is the atlas log-IUT. And then we have Log-90. They have the same front appearance, blue buttons, blue color, and they have the same measurement range of temperature range from -90 to 70 degree. Take off the lid, you can see it's a USB connector, and then it's LCD screen. The screen will display recording status, mark, battery level, alarm level, password protection, measurement value, temperature unit, time unit. Start delay, reuse, stop button invalid. For log, the temperature data logger, you can see it's with the external probe, and log IoT temperature data logger doesn't have the external probe. IoT type doesn't have the external probe. This one is -90. Log-90. It has external probe, and the sensor head is stainless steel material, and the cable is 2 meters long. If you need, we can customize it to be 3 meter or other long length. The Log-90 is a multi-use, configurable, battery replaceable temperature data logger with external probe. It's featuring high resolution, the temperature range of from -90 to 200 degree. The temperature data logger is equipped with LCD screen, which can view real-time temperature data. Its capacity reaches max 35,000 readings. Professional users can use the configuration software to configure parameters, and after completing the trip, an encrypted report can be automatically generated. Temporary mode allows the device to continue working after the user generates and reads a temporary report. This temperature data logger is designed for cold chain logistics, storage, and transportation. It is an ideal solution for ultra-low temperature transportation and temperature monitoring that requires frequent temperature recording. The parameters are configurable. You can freely configure through the software. Its battery can work up to 90 days. The battery can be replaced and reused. Here at the back side, you can open the cover of the battery and change the battery. The password can be set to prevent others from operating the equipment without authorization. LCD screen displays all parameters: running days, current temperature value, alarm status, battery level, alarm points, etc. The temporary mode allows the temperature data logger to continue working after users have generated and read the temporary report. This logger also has audible and visual alarm. Both LCD alarm indication and the buzzer alarm are available. Temperature units switchable. You can use Celsius and Fahrenheit and easily switched. And the logger also has configuration remand and also report download remand. This model, Atlas Log-90, is a multi-use temperature logger with LCD screen and external probe, featuring high resolution temperature range of from -90 to 200. It is an ideal choice for ultra-low temperature transportation and temperature monitoring solutions requiring frequent temperature recording. It is used to record and monitor the ultra-low temperatures in cold storage, cold chain transportation, and dry ice storage environment. Biological products such as vaccine reagents are extremely temperature sensitive, and temperature changes during storage and transportation should be monitored and controlled in time. The Atlas Log -90 temperature data logger with a real-time temperature display is ideal for the pharmaceutical industry and biological products. It can be used for continuous recording of biopharmaceuticals, life sciences, biological samples, pharmaceutical cold chain, vaccine cold chain, blood cold chain, and diagnostic reagents. For start the logger, there are 3 methods to start the logger. You can press the left button for 3 seconds. The logger will start and the screen will show begin. After saving parameters, you can also click start the logger after saving parameter, and it also can be start by timed start. The device will start according to the timing you set on the software. At a recording status or pause status, you can press the left button shortly. It will show max temperature value, mean temperature value, average temperature value, and then return to the main interface. During recording status or pause status, press the left button for 3 seconds to make a mark. If the mark is on, it means the device is making the mark. After mark, the mark symbol will be off. You should pay attention that only one mark can be made in one log interval. At the recording status, double press the left button. The logger will pause. It doesn't record temperature during pause status, but the screen will display the real-time temperature data. At the recording status or pause status, you can connect the logger with computer. The temperature report will be generated automatically. After pulling the logger out from computer, the logger still continues recording or pause. At this status, only PDF report is available. During recording status, to generate temporary report, the logger still records temperature. And for stop the logger, there are 3 methods to stop the logger. You can press the red button. You can press the stop button for 3 seconds to stop the logger. Method 2, you can stop the logger by software. And method 3, when the logger reaches the max working days or memory capacity is full, it will stop automatically. Please note that at the stop status, shortly press any button, the max mean information will be shown in twice. This logger now show SET. It means need to download the report and reconfigure. After stop the logger, you can insert directly into the computer. The screen will show PDF or CSV, indicating it's generating report. After the report is generated, the USB will be displayed. After pull it out from computer, press any button. Max min information will be shown in turn twice. Okay, this is a brief introduction of this model. Log-90. This one, log-IUT. They have the same application can be used to monitor the temperature data during dry ice transport. During dry ice application, when you ship the goods of frozen food or seafood or pharmaceuticals or vaccines. Okay, today I totally introduced to you three models: the Atlas Log-90 and the FreshKeeper-IUT and Atlas Log-IUT. Okay, three models. That's all the products we have today. Thank you for coming to our live channel. I'm so grateful to have you guys here. Hopefully you will enjoy our live show today and get to know more about our products. If you want to buy our products we show today, please contact us through the telephone number and the email below, or you can search Freshliance on Amazon or on Google. Our website, freshliance.com, freshliance.com. Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. So I'm really looking forward to introduce our new product to you next time. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.